forget to give them to her?
We are pleased to have Mrs. Johnson present the music words to those students who have demonstrated.
Okay, I would like to at this time recognize students that have done extremely well in the area of the academics, and this is based on their standardized testing. It's based on their report cards. These students have academically excelled, and they have to be recognized as really students who, when they go across the road, we are sure would we recognize these students based on their academic record here at the Intermediate Elementary School. Julie Beverly, please stand. Julianne Monticello, Sam Montgomery, Allison Regichewski, Colleen Wojciechowski, and Bethany Bowman. Would we recognize these students for their top academic record?
Congratulations, students, and thank you, Mr. Gibbons. There are so many choices. You are the best. Take a good look around and decide what makes sense. Some like to go fast. And some like to go slow. Some like to get going however they go. Some strive to be peaceful, joyful, and wise. Ponder the size of their thoughts. So look north and look south. Look ahead and look behind. Stare into the mirror. Now what do you find? Should you live where it's cold? Should you live where it's hot? Must be terribly busy. Or not.